श्रावण मास हा आला, श्रावणाचे हर्ष मानसी. क्षणाते ते सरी, क्षणाते ते ऊन. मंगल तोरण तिथे बांधले, सूर्योदय संगे झाला उदय. पुष्प हे फुलले सुंदर या घरात, वैभवाने गाजलेल्या घरी गीत माझे मी गाणार. आजही मला वाटते अशीच गाथा, ही पुढे चालणार दिसणार. घरात झाले तुझे आगमन, आज तारखेस 70 कैसे ओलांडले. आश्चर्याचे मला झाले तुझा तो चेहरा पाहुनी. राघवेंद्राची कृपा असे म्हणून राघव हे नाम झाले. आचारशील विचारशील धर्मशील कीर्तिवंत घरात, मित्रासंगे घराभोवती पतंग उडवता पाहिले. संस्कृती अध्ययनासाठी घराबाहेर राहुनी, दूर राहुनी प्रयत्न केला, फलित नाही झाले. परत येऊन शिक्षण केले, घरात राहून भावासंगे. सर्वा सावली सारखी सतत तुझ्या सोबती राहण्या, मिळाली साथ सुशीलेची. सन्मार्गे केला जीवनाचा प्रवास, सुंदर कन्या सुप्रिया प्रिय महेंद्र हा. सोज्वळ बाला सुधाई नवीन तिचा सखा, प्रेमळ कन्या जयाही जुडले नाते मिलिंद संगे. घराची शोभा वाढवून नांदती भरलेल्या घरात, पाहून यांचा सुखी संसार. मनी वाटले झाला आनंद अपार, भाऊ म्हणून अपार प्रेम हे आम्ही तुझे पाहिले. सरळ स्वभावाची मूर्ती तू स्वच्छ बोलून सजवले. प्रेमळ भाऊ हा आमचा गुरु, शक्ती ही अफाट पाहिली. सेवा करता गुरु भक्तीचा, पात्र होऊन सेवा करण्या तत्पर बंधू घराची रीत. घराची संस्कृती घरातल्या प्रथा जपल्या जपता निरंतर, आयुष्य असा जपता.
हेलो राघू, विश यू व्हेरी व्हेरी हॅपी 70th बर्थडे.
Hello Raghu Kaka, wish you a very happy 70th birthday. There are many things in life that have a big impact on what you have done or how you have supported or the things that you have done for us, for family, etc. Some things has always been as a very good memory, and which is also said that it plays a major impression as a child grows. Every summer holidays when we visited, the love and affection that you showered, taken us out to get a shirt and a shop, though is something which is very probably a small gesture, but the love and the enthusiasm you showed for us has etched a mark in my life. At the same time, it is all about the support you have extended. I still remember the day I had come to Nizamabad and we both spoke for the support on some financial things that was asked when Sushma was about to go from US. Again, it's not about the value, but it is about your intent, and it is about how you valued it and offered to help. So Kaka, you have always been a great person who has inspired us in many ways. Thank you so much. Wish you a very, very happy birthday, and also hope and and look forward for all your blessings on us. And also, as they say, as you grow, this is a time where I would like to ask for an apology if in any time we said something that would have hurted you. Once again, wish you a very happy birthday. Have a great day. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Raghu Kaka. Wishing you all the happiness and always a good health. Let all your desire come true. The most I admire about you is the way you take care of Kaku. I have never heard anything that you have spoken wrong in front of anyone when Kaku and you are there. Thank you so much. You all have a wonderful day ahead. Thank you.
Many happy returns of the day, Raghu.
Happy 70th birthday, Tata. I like your photography skills. May God bless you with good health and you live longer.
Happy birthday, Tata. Have a great day and year ahead.
చిన్ననాట చింత పిక్కలు తిని పెరిగినాక ఖజానాలో ఖలేజాతో పనిచేసి వదినమ్మ సుశీల సాంగత్యంలో సుప్రియ శ్రీసుధ జయశ్రీలతో సుసంపన్నం చేసి ద్వితీయుడైన అద్వితీయుడుగా పేరులో చారీతో అందరి మనసులు చోరీ చేసిన 70 వసంతాలు నిండిన ఈ శార్వరీ వేళ రాఘు అందుకో మా అభినందన మాల. అనుకోవద్దు ఇది గోల, క్రమశిక్షణకు సరిలేరు నీకెవ్వరు. గురు కృపతో శతవసంతాల వేడుకలు చేసుకోవాలి మీరు. హ్యాపీ బర్త్డే టు యూ, హ్యాపీ బర్త్డే టు యూ, హ్యాపీ బర్త్డే టు యూ.
Happy birthday, 70th birthday to you, Raghu. God bless you very much.
70व्या वर्षाचं वाढदिवसाचं शुभेच्छा. 70व्या वाढदिवसाचं शुभेच्छा राघू.
Wish you many happy returns of the day, Raghu Tata. Stay long, stay happy. Wish you a very wonderful, happiest and wonderful birthday.
Happy birthday, Raghu Mama.
Happy birthday, Raghu Tata.
Wish you many more happy returns of the day, Raghu Tata.
Happy birthday, Raghu Mama. जन्मदिनमिदं अयि प्रिय सखे शन्तनोतु ते सर्वदा मुदं प्रार्थयामहे भवशतायुषी ईश्वरः सदा त्वां च रक्षतु पुण्यकर्मणा कीर्तिमार्जय जीवनं तव भवतु सार्थकम्.
Birthday, Raghu Tata.
Happy birthday, Raghu Tata.
Happy birthday to you and wish you many happy returns of the day. And may God bless you with everything best in the world. That's all for now. Bye.
Today, as you celebrate your 70th birthday, may you be loved ever by all those around you. Happy birthday, Mama ji.
Happy birthday to you, boy sahab. Happy birthday to you. God bless you. Be happy, healthy. Take care of yourself.
Happy birthday, Anu Garu.
Hi Bhava, happy 70th birthday.
Hi, happy 70th birthday.
Good day, Mama.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Nice, Tata.
Happy birthday, Mama.
रघुवंशी साहब, वाढदिवसाच्या हार्दिक शुभेच्छा. 70 years कंप्लीट कर लिए. Many happy returns of the day.
Hello, Raghvachari garu. Happy birthday అండి.
రాఘవచారి మామ వార్దివస హార్దిక శుభేచ్ఛ.
హలో బావగారు, హ్యాపీ బర్త్డే.
Many happy returns of the day, Papa. Happy birthday to the best father in the world. Papa, I love you so much. Papa.
not just because you are my papa. There are many reasons to love you, my dearest, my sweetest papa. My papa is the best. I love you so much. You are a perfect papa, you are a perfect husband, you are a perfect brother, you are a perfect friend, papa. You have been my pillar of strength, dearest papa. You were always with me in my highs and lows. You know what, papa? Today, whatever me and Manvik are, only and only because of you. Only because of you and Amma, papa. I love you both so much. Very, very much, papa. Every year you should celebrate your birthday in this way. Thank you for everything, papa. You are my best father. You are the best father in the world. Today, whatever we are, only because of you and Amma. You will always come forward to help everyone. You have sacrificed your entire life for the sake of your family and for others. You will never ever give up, papa. I have learnt everything from you and Amma. You are the best father in the world. I am so fortunate enough to have you as my father and Amma as my mother and Akka Sudha as my sisters. I love you all very, very much. I have the best family in the world. Thank you for everything, Akka, Sudha, Amma, Papa, for everything. I love you all very, very much. Last but not the least, Papa, happy birthday to you. My daddy, the best.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Tata.
Happy birthday, Papa.
Happy birthday, Mama.
Happy birthday, Tata.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Tata. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Baba.
Love you, Tata.
Love you, Tata.
Stay safe and healthy.
चंदा ने पूछा तारों से, तारों ने पूछा हजारों से, चंदा ने पूछा तारों